Want to learn how to write an ebook and make money with physical products online? Well, sis, if you want to learn how to write an ebook and make money with physical products online as a Christian entrepreneur, grab your pen and paper, get ready, stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Hey, it's your girl Steph Rogers, founder and CEO of Godlywood Girl, creator of the Godlywood Girl School of Business, and my purpose in life is to connect you with the resources you need to achieve your purpose in life. So if the Lord has purposed you to be a Christian entrepreneur and you are looking for resources to help you get it done, make sure you hit that subscription button because that's what I do here, sis. And if you're ready to learn how to write an ebook and make money with physical products online, grab your pen and paper, let's dive in. So step number one is to choose your niche. And your niche is the specific part of the market that you are going to be targeting with your ebook. So for example, right, in the fitness industry, there is the niche of a new mother who just had a baby and wants to lose belly fat. And there's the niche of the NFL player who wants to bulk up before he gets back to his season. Same industry, two completely different customers. So you want to make sure you're clear on which niche you are serving first because your book needs to be written to appeal to that actual niche. Step number two, once you know exactly what your niche is, you know exactly who your customer avatar that you're trying to sell your book to is, now you need to choose a physical product that's going to appeal to that niche. The same fitness gear that the NFL player is going to use is completely different than the fitness gear that the new mother who's holding her baby in her hand all the time for the next 6 weeks straight is going to use, right? They're two completely different lifestyles. So you want to choose a physical product that actually fits the lifestyle of the customer you want to reach. Go on Amazon.com, figure out which product it is that you want to be actually serving your niche with, and then go to Alibaba.com or AliExpress.com and see if you can find that product on AliExpress or Alibaba so you know that you'll be able to fulfill it using Amazon for your customer. Step number three, now that you know your niche, now that you know the physical product that you want to sell, step number three is go ahead and write an ebook that pre-sells that physical product. Write an ebook that pre-sells that physical product. Now here's the thing. I didn't come up with this strategy and I don't want you to think it's all on me. I definitely want to give credit where credit is due. The first person who I saw do this was somebody named Jeff Walker. He wrote a book called Launch and it was a book that pre-sold his online course teaching you how to launch your products online. The second person that I saw do this was Russell Brunson. He wrote a book called .com Secrets and in that book it pre-sells his sales funnel builder software called ClickFunnels, which I currently use in my own business. Love the book, love the strategy. So I saw other entrepreneurs use the strategy before I started doing it, but when I started doing it, I saw why they was using it. And listen, sis, a lot of people write a book just to sell that book, right? They're like, okay, I'm just going to have this book sold and that's it. But there's something called average cart value, and that is the amount of money somebody is able to spend with you during one transaction. And if you only sell the one book, then all you can make during that transaction is the one book. But if you have something else that you can sell after that book, aka core product offer, upsell offer, something like you would do in a sales funnel, now you are increasing the average cart value that you make during that transaction. And your book can literally operate as your sales funnel. In that book, when you are writing the content, give them value. Solve the specific problem that you said you're going to solve when you sold them the book. In addition, let them know that there's something else they can purchase from you to solve an additional problem. This is your core product offer right inside of the book. And I've done this many, many times. If you've read my book, The 5 P's of Purposepreneurship, it actually pre-sells the Godlywood Girl School of Business. If you've read my book, The War of Purpose, it actually pre-sells the Godlywood Girl School of Purpose. If you've read my book, How to Make a Sales Funnel That Earns Money While You Sleep, it actually pre-sold the Godlywood Girl Writers Academy. And it's a strategy that I'll keep using because it's an excellent strategy to increase your average cart value very organically. You don't even have to go out and build a sales funnel. You can just do it right through the book. So you want to write the book in a way that solves a specific problem for your reader and also pre-sells the physical product that you chose. Step number four, once you have written out your book, girl, now you need to do marketing, marketing, and marketing. Now, the good thing is that if you have chosen a physical product that makes a good amount of money, like something like $100, $200, then you can actually choose to give away your book for free. This is what I do. I give away my books for free. Sometimes I only charge the cost of printing and shipping the book, but it's still, I'm not making a profit on it. It's literally what it cost me to make the book is what you pay. So I don't make a profit on it. I'm literally giving away the book for free. So this is a great method to use if what you sell what you pre-sell in the book actually leads to a greater amount of money than you would have made on selling the book in the first place. So for example, the Godlywood Girl School of Business currently is about $197 per month for the Legend package, $97 per month for the Purpose package. So I have no problem giving away the 5-piece of Purposepreneurship book for free, because what would I do? I would charge you $7 for the book, right? It's much easier for me just to give it to you for free. If you get value from it and you decide, okay, I want to learn how to do this and implement this and get her course, and then you upgrade into the Legend package or the Purpose package, now, praise God, yeah, I may have lost money giving it to you for free, but you were able to upsell into the next package. So kind of think about it that way. Don't think about it, I'm losing money giving this away for free. Think about it as you are gaining money because you are able to put the book in more people's hands. It's much easier to give somebody something for free than it is to ask them to pay you $10 for it, okay? So consider that strategy, a free plus shipping strategy, or just giving it away for free completely as a lead magnet, which I do all the time. If you don't want to do this, that's fine. Go ahead and list your book for sale on Amazon or on your website or wherever you want to list it for sale. You just need to do marketing. The goal is to get this book into as many people's hands as possible. With the right conversions, right? With the right sales messaging, normal conversions are between 1% and 5%, which means that for every 100 people who see your offer, 1 person will buy. So if you think about those odds, even with a well-written sales message, if you think about those odds, you want to get this book into as many people's hands as possible. That's why I use the free plus shipping strategy, because it's easier for me to get it into more people's hands and therefore expand my reach. But it's completely up to you. Just make sure you're doing marketing, marketing, and more marketing. If you don't know how to do marketing, get into the Godlywood Girl School of Business. That's what I show you how to do step by step by step by step by step. So that's it for the 4 steps on how to write an ebook and make money with physical products online. If you want my free How to Write an Ebook checklist, make sure you click the link in the description box below to get my free How to Write an Ebook checklist so you can keep yourself on track while you are getting your ebook done. And my love, if you're not already subscribed to the Godlywood Girl YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscription button. My goal for this channel is for it to be the #1 resource for every woman of faith who wants to live her greatest purpose for Christ as a Christian entrepreneur. And if that's you, and the Lord has purposed you to be a writer, and you know you want more resources to help you get it done, make sure you hit that subscription button. And God willing, I'll see you here at Godlywood Girl. Hey love, thanks so much for watching this video on my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and click the subscribe button so you can get brand new videos that Godlywood Girl releases. My mission with the Godlywood Girl YouTube channel is for it to empower at least 5 million women of Christ to get unstuck, stop feeling frustrated, and start living God's greatest purpose for their lives. So if you want to join that movement, make sure you click the link below to join me in the Godlywood Girl School of Purpose, where I literally teach you how to start living God's greatest purpose for your life step by step. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.